So we're here today to demonstrate our Xylocellos. Xylocellos come from the limoncello, the traditional Italian limoncello and orancello. What we've done is we've gone an extra further on that by adding figs, using strawberries, using blackberries, using cranberries like we're going to use today. But what I'm going to demonstrate is the fig cello today. And basically our formula is very simple. It's you need vodka, the fruit, and sugar. And then you have to wait 30 to 45 days to see where you're at as far as your fruit and your sugar levels. So the first step obviously is you need a container, and we're going to go 10 parts of vodka to 1 part of sugar. And we're going to add our figs inside after we add the sugar. And you'll want to spread them out as evenly as possible so you can have something good to look at while it's working. I would definitely put this in a very visible place, like in all of Italy. When you walk inside a house in Abruzzi, the first thing you're going to see most likely is a pumpkin jar of cello. And it might be something that you're definitely going to experience if you have a dinner at the house that you're being at. So this is our house here at Xylo, and this is our way of thanking our guests and offering them something homemade that we've been making here. So let's see. Fruit you should be generous with. You don't have to be over generous, but it's good to add as much fruit as you can. I would say equal sugar and fruit, equal parts. So now we're going to use a vodka. Nothing special about the vodka, it's just the vehicle. And we're going to spray it on top. You're just going to let it roll on top of the figs. Again, the vodka is not of non-significance what type you use. It's only a vehicle. And cellos are known to only have one shot. It's not something that you would repeatedly be drinking too much of. And I wouldn't advise that. It's a palate cleanser, let's remember that. Right now, that's 2 liters. We should be somewhere around 3.5 here. You do want to fill it all the way to the top. It doesn't matter if there's air inside, that has no influence on it. But you do want to fill it as much as you can. So we'll probably be going through another 1/4 here. It's actually 4 liters for this container. And then you just put your lid inside. Do not stir until you start seeing infusion happening from your figs into your sugar. That's where it's going to start to happen, at the bottom. And when you see that, usually 10 to 15 days into the fusion, you see the bubbles already starting to come out. That's the sugar working inside, and actually that's the alcohol penetrating the sugar. Once you see that, then you can start stirring it. Until then, do not stir. Just leave it like that. It's beautiful to look at. And then after 45 days, approximately 30 to 45 days, what I have here is the one that we just took out. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the one out that you have. And hopefully that lasts you long enough while this one is working, and then you won't run out of cello. And then basically what you do is you taste it. And I think this needs a little bit of sugar. So what we're going to do is, you have to be very careful because you're going to be cooking vodka with sugar, so your temperature has to stay very low. If you go above a certain temperature, you might start to get a flame. If you get a flame, all you need to do is have something next to you, like another pot, put it over, take it away from the fire, and then you're not going to have any flame. But you need to be careful. This is something that you have to go very slowly with, so no rush. And basically that's it.